Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. Today, I am going to show you how to set up internet connection in MikroTik router. Before you begin, connect your computer to the MikroTik router either via Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Step 1. Access the MikroTik RouterOS. Run the winbox utility. In Neighbors, winbox finds your router and its MAC address. Next, enter default user and password to connect the router. After first time login, MikroTik will ask you to change the router password. Create if you want. Step 2. Configure WAN interface. Navigate to the interfaces on the left sidebar. Click on the interface you want to rename as a WAN port. Next, navigate to the IP and select addresses. Click on the plus button to add new IP address. Next, enter your WAN IP address and select WAN interface. Next, navigate to IP and select route. Click on plus button and specifies the WAN gateway IP address. Step 3. Setting up DNS servers. Navigate to the IP and click on DNS. Next, add your preferred DNS servers under the Servers field. Step 4. Configure LAN interface. Navigate to the interfaces on the left sidebar. Click on the interface you want to rename as a LAN port. Next, navigate to the IP and select addresses. Click on the plus button to add new IP address. Next, enter your LAN IP address and select LAN interface. Step 5. Configure Firewall NAT rule. Next, you need to create network address translation rule for local area network users on a MikroTik router. Navigate to the IP and click on Firewall. In the NAT tab, click on plus button to create new NAT rule. Next, select Chain to SRC NAT. In the SRC address, enter your LAN subnet. Next, select Action to masquerade. Step 6. Set up DHCP server. Navigate to IP and select DHCP server. Click on the DHCP Setup button. Choose the interface where you want to enable the DHCP server and click Next. Next, enter DHCP address space. Set the gateway. Set the address pool range. Set the DNS servers. Set the lease time. Click Next and then Finish to apply the changes.